Okay. Hello, hello. Okay. So, what we have today? So we have kind of a bearish on NQ today, but I think this can be just a pullback. I think we may see a drop on the market open and then a move to the upside. As overall, I think we are bullish, at least on the 4-hour chart. So the market open, from what I see, I think the price will move lower. I'm looking for the 29,000 levels. Then we may see a move to the upside. So looks like we may see one more leg to the downside right here. Yes, this was a good short. It was an amazing short, to be honest. Let me try to short it right here. Oh, okay. Why is so? I just entered the short on NQ. Let's see. Okay. Looks like I'm gonna close a bearish. So the 15 minutes looks very interesting. It looks like the 15 minutes will go higher. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, the 15-minute candle will go probably and close higher. Yep. I probably will get out right here. Yeah, so basically so here we may see what, not may, but we will see one leg to the upside. This is a good buy right here. Okay, I'm gonna add 2 orders. Okay, in case it goes lower, I'm out. We still have, yeah, we may see one more leg to the downside and one leg to the upside. Okay, so once the 1 minute closes, I may add, if it closes a bit higher. Okay, I'm adding right here. Okay. This 1 minute may come inside. Let's wait. I just close half, just a risk management decision, because this 1 minute may come all the way back inside, and I don't like it, to be honest. Okay, that's good. Okay, yes, that's good. It's a good trade right there. The reason why I took this trade is on the higher time frame. I just used the 1 minute time frame for entries. I took another half down. Okay. So I think I should move my TP higher. Yep. I put everything to break even. Yes, once reaches my TP up here, I'm getting out from everything. So currently I'm having only 3 micros on this trade. I'm still down $71. Yeah, this is the last 25 seconds from the 5 minute candle. And we still have 5 minutes in the 30 minute candle. Yeah, we may see a bigger pullback right here on the 5 minute, and I'm gonna get out. So I close everything just to... Okay. I will wait for the market open. So I would like to take one more buy right here. Okay, once reaches the... Okay, let's wait. I am adding right here one more buy, because I think this is the level where the price may come up. If it goes lower, then I'm out from everything. Let's wait. Okay, so the price looks like it wants to go lower. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, we still have 3 minutes till market open, and looks like the price wants to go lower. I don't like it. Wow. So I am $350 in drawdown. That's not good. Yep. $350 in drawdown. Okay. Yep. So we still have 30 seconds till market open, and this looks very interesting to me. I still think we have room to the downside a lot, but if price reaches 29,000, then it's gonna be very interesting. So the 5-minute close very like wants to go to the upside first. Yes, of course it wants. Yep, it was a good buy there, but it's late already. It was a good buy. So now I would like to think about a short. If not, then probably I'll get a buy. I think the first 30 minutes we may be in a range, and a very tricky range, to be honest. So this was a very good buy entry right here on the 1 minute. I think the price may go one leg to the upside to 29,150. Yes, 29,150. It wasn't a bad buy right there, but I see a lot of selling pressure. Yeah, I think the price will move higher from here. I'd like to take a buy right here. If the 1 minute goes lower, I'm out. Anyway, let's see. Okay. I take half down. I took half down. So I would like to see 150 first. I took another half down. Okay, so I'm out. So I recovered 150, 175, but I'm still down 175. Today I'm trading very careful because yesterday I traded gold aggressively and I paid for it. Not with money, but with my emotions and my... So here's the level where I would be very careful. Okay. If I would take a short, then it will be from here. And probably I'm gonna enter a short right here. If it goes higher, I'm out, but it can go higher for sure. It can go higher. Okay, I take another one half down. I'm taking another half down. Come on, go lower, brother. So I put stop loss, move lower. I take another half. So I'm moving TP a bit higher on 40 points in profit. And probably I will move my TP stop loss to break even. Take another half. So let's wait. So the next 1 minute may come and stop me out, a break even. But anyway, I took my money and yes, it will come and stop me out, probably. I would like to take another half to be honest, but let's see. So yeah, I close half of it. Let's see. Okay, so TP hit on the first. Okay, not bad. I'm still in drawdown, $21 in drawdown. Oh yeah, it's fine. So it has a lot of room to go to downside currently. I think it will go, and I think here the price can move very violently. Yes, of course you can. So anyway, I took my money. I took only I took enough. I trade only with the 2.5 micros. Oh no, yeah, no, it's actually 5 micros. It's not a big position. I think until 3 o'clock we may see only range, but let's see. If price goes below 29,000, then we may see lower levels, even below the daily low. But I don't think we go lower today. I think this is just a pullback for the price to move higher. But first I wanna see the 29,000 to be touched, and then we may think for buys. I mean, I can think of a buy right now, but it's risky, so I basically want to wait for the 29,000. and to wait to see. So we don't have a lower high yet. Okay. I would expect one leg to the upside and probably to the downside. I don't see a lower high yet on the, I would say on the 1 minute even. So I will wait for buys once reaches 29,000. I think the next 5 minutes it will give one more leg to the downside. Let's wait. For this to happen, the 5 minute should close. The 5 minutes should close around 29.50 or 29.60. So it was a good short right here. The price definitely will move lower. Yes, I expected a bit higher than to just look for a short, but yeah. Let's wait. Let's wait. So we still have 1 minute and 25 seconds in the 5 minute candle. So we should wait. Yeah, probably it will move lower without us. Definitely. Yes, to be honest, I am tempted to take a short right here. Yeah, it was bad entry. So I give back. I would expect the 5 minute to close a bit higher than the next one to drop. Okay. So we need one more leg to the upside, a pullback on the 5 minute candle, then I probably think for a short. Yeah, the price moved lower. So this actually was my entry. Should be my entry. So I probably take a short from here. Yeah, of course you'll stop me out. $360 in drawdown. Yes, the 5 minute looks like it wants to go higher. Really? Yes, probably it will. So currently I'm 363 in drawdown. Tip, 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 tip. So looks like we may see I think we are in a range. Probably will be in a range next 25-30 minutes. I would like to take a breakout trade, but I will wait for the price to reach higher level. Normally, if the price wants it to go higher, then this 1 minute should already break to the upside. Let's see how it closes, because in case. So the next 1 minute probably will take this 1 minute high and then go lower. Let's see. Oh no, probably will move higher. But I will just enter short. So it wants to go higher. Yes, it wants to go higher. Okay. If it will give a short, then it will be from here. I don't like it. So let's wait. So yeah, the price will go higher. If we still have 2 seconds in this 1 minute, and still, yeah, it go higher. Yep. Yep. $480 in drawdown. $480 in drawdown. Not good. Really? So I got out and the price moves lower. So the 5 minutes looks like it wants to come for yeah. Yep. So wow. It was too late for me to enter. This was a very good buy right here, and is a very good buy, to be honest. So I would like to take a buy. It can drop lower, especially because of this 1 minute. Really? Yes, it goes lower. Probably I'll be stopped out. Let's wait. Okay, that's good. I want to see this 1 minute to go higher, and I may add once this 1 minute closes. I hope the 1 minute will not pull back and close inside the range. Okay, let's wait. I take half down, just a risk management decision. Once the 1 minute closes, I am adding one more buy. I hope it will give me a chance. Yeah, it's too late already. I'm still $100 in drawdown. Anyway. So this is the level where I would be very careful, especially because we still have 12 minutes till 10 o'clock or 3 o'clock London time. I don't think we are done in this range. So I will be very careful taking buys above this level. Very careful. The price can move higher, definitely. But for me, personally, I'm gonna wait. I would like to see first one leg to the downside, then let's say a micro range, then probably buy for a breakout to move higher. I don't think the price will go higher. It can, I don't know, but yeah, I will wait. So let's see. I think this is a good short, to be honest, but I'm not gonna take any shorts. Yeah, this was a good short for the price to move, I would say, around 29,130. Yeah, definitely will reach 29,130. But as I said, I'm gonna wait for the 10 o'clock. I don't want to get in any trade right now. So I think we may see a bearish close on the 15 minute. I think a big bearish candle will be on the 15 minutes. And I would say probably go for the low of the previous 15 minute candle. So we have a very good 5-minute closure, which looks very good for buys, to be honest. Yes, 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 it was a very good buy right there. But we still don't have a higher low on the 15 minute. So I would expect a one bearish close on the 15 minute before we can move higher. So, as I said, we may see a 15-minute bearish close and probably can go for the previous 15-minute lows and probably to touch 29,000. I would expect a 5-minute closure with the wick, then probably to look for a short. I would like to take a short, but I think the bias is buys. In case the price goes lower, then the price will reach much lower levels below, I would say 28,900, then probably 28,800, and probably yesterday lows. Let's see. But I want to see buys. I want to enter in buys today on NQ. So I would like to wait. So the next 5-minute candle probably will take the current 5-minute high and then drop lower. You should be very careful with buys on it. You should be very careful with buys. Right now, very careful with buys. I'm looking for buys as well, but not at the moment. I will enter buys only when I see a breakout setup because I want to go aggressively on it. So, but for this, I'm gonna wait for the 15-minute closure and the 3-hour, so 10 hours in New York. I wanna see the closure on the 4-hour candle. So this is a good buy here, to be honest. Okay. Let's see. So the 5-minute closes, as I said, with the wick, bearish, and the next one probably will drop lower. Yes. So if the 4-hour closes like this. So we may have an outside bar on a 15-minute candle. We should be very careful after that. So this is not a bad buy, but I have a feeling that the 5-minute will drop lower. Okay, yes, the 1-minute may pull higher, push higher. Let's wait. So here with the buys, be very careful for shorts right now, because we may see a pullback to the upside right this minute, but in case drops, then it probably will drop. Yeah, it was a good buy there. 23 points buy. I think it was a very good buy right there. I think it's not too late to take a buy, but let's wait, let's see. Okay. I would like to see one bullish candle right here. I entered late, to be honest, but, and yeah. Really, I'm gonna close probably in a loss again. Come on, go higher. Yeah, the next one when it may drop. Come on, go higher, brother. Okay. Yes, go higher. Higher. Go for us, go. I just closed half because I had a better entry and I don't want to mess with it. but in case it goes, it goes. Okay. I close another half, stop loss to break even, and I'm gonna move my TP higher. Yes, the best entry, buy entry was around down there. That was the amazing entry for buys. So I close another half. So yes. Okay. I probably maybe stopped out. It's no problem. I still think we have to touch 29,000. And I will be very careful with buys on it. But just for quick scalps, yeah, you can do it. Do. So I would like to take one more short right here, to be honest, but in case the 1 minute goes higher, then I'm out. Okay, I'm just gonna put my stop loss. Okay, so the 1 minute goes higher. Let's see. I put $140 in a loss. Come on, go lower. Yeah, the 1 minute may go higher, may to push to the upside. Yes, of course you can. So here we go, guys. Here the price comes and we take a buy. The 5 minute looks like very interesting, may drop lower. So I will move my stop loss right here. In case it drops, then it drops. In case it doesn't, then it moves probably much higher. So let's go. Yes, the 5 minute wants to go lower. Really? Come on, go. Give that one leg to the upside. Yes, the 5 minute looks like very tricky to me. So I'll move my yes, the 5 minute will go lower. Why I miss so many trades today? Really? Okay. So here we go. I'm enter buy. Okay. I would like to see 354. Oh. If this 1 minute comes and closes, probably it will go all the way back down and very fast. Yeah, it was a trap. It was a trap. Yes, this was a trap. So I would like to take short right here because I think the 5 minute will go lower. Okay. Come on, don't go higher. just come on, brother, go lower. So I'm $480 in drawdown. Okay. I want to see the price first moving lower. Oh, really? So we have, come on, go lower. So I close half of it. Let's see. Okay, I move my TP low, stop loss lower. Okay, really? So we still have 1 minute in the 5-minute candle. Okay, I just pushed everything to break even. $360. Come on, boy. So once the 5-minute closes, I probably may look for one more short, but it depends how it closes. Yeah, I probably will be stopped out right here. Let's wait. So, yeah, we may see one more leg to the downside, but first I probably be stopped out, then move to the downside. So yeah, here it goes, because the price will move one leg to the upside, probably. No. So I'm $316 in drawdown, and I don't like it, to be honest. $316 in drawdown. So this 1 minute will break the low on the left, probably move lower. So the next one will move higher. We should be very careful. Oh no. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good trade. So here we go, guys. Now we have a confirmation for buys. Probably will drop once I enter buys, but let's see. I wanna see this one bullish candle close higher. Okay, I took half down just because not to see one. Oh really? Come on, close higher, I know you will. I wanna see a bullish 1 minute candle to be able to add one more buy. Okay, I took half down just because I see a very tricky 1 minute candle closure. Stop loss to break even. Yep. This is what I was talking about. Yes, this 1 minute may come all the way back to the downside. We should be very careful. Um, 5 minute looks very interesting. 15 minutes still bearish. So I would like to think of short right here, to be honest. But let's see. So this looks like a W on 1 minute. But what I'm more interested is 2 minutes in the 5 minute. Will this 1 minute break higher? Because if it breaks, then we may see an outside bar on the 5 minute. So I am down 280 today. It's harder for me to trade, to be honest, when I'm live, but that's fine. I become more responsible when I'm live. So I still think this 1 minute will drop lower. This 5 minute, but let's see. So we may see bullish 1 minute, 30 minutes. So if the price doesn't move lower from here, then the next 20 minutes we are gonna be in a range. So I would prefer to avoid ranges. Even if I can trade, I would like to avoid them. Yes, of course, you move lower. So here the price drops. Here where the price drops. We have a dodgy 5 minute candle closed, but we still have things to do on the downside. Let's see, let's wait. We have a tricky 1 minute closure. This 1 minute may go a bit higher. Let's see. So probably may see a bullish candle or even a higher closure 1 minute. So let's wait. I'm entering a short right here. I may be stopped out. I can lose $200. But in case I'm right, I close half of it. Okie dokie. This was a good trade. I close another half of it. So with the low on the left, we have a double bottom, and we may see 1 minute close bullish inside in the range. I put everything to break even in case this 1 minute may spike to the upside. So yes, come on, drop it, drop below, lower. So we should see a very violent move on these last 20 seconds. Yes, I see a lot of orders on the level 2, so let's go first. Let's go. Come on. I don't want to see a 1 minute closure like this. And here we go. I added one more short right here. I take half down. Please don't go inside. Yeah, this 1 minute may go all the way back inside, and I don't want to see it. So in case it comes up, okie dokie. Come on, go lower. Okie dokie. I take half down. I would like to see 29,000 break. Okie dokie. Here we should see a very violent move. Come on, go lower. So I'm $49 in profit. Okay, that's good. I took another half. I put everything to break even. This is the level where we should be very careful because, okay, so I didn't notice that. Okay, move the webcam. So this is the level where we should be very careful, because if the price drops, it drops violently from here. If not, then we may see the price go back inside in the range. But yeah, we should be very careful. So I'm $123 in profit. That's fine. Nothing wrong with this today. I decided to trade less aggressive because the last 2 weeks, the last week actually, I was trading very aggressively, and even if I was green, I was still very exhausted and very stressful because of the stress hormones during the too many trades. So I decided to reduce the size. So here we go, guys. I close everything because the hallelujah, hallelujah. Here we go, guys. Here we go. As I said, very careful. The reason why I closed this trade because I saw a lot of orders on the level 2 what didn't get filled, and I think this was a trap. So here we go. Here we go. This is what happens when you see a lot of difference between buyers and sellers. A big difference, not a lot, but a big difference between buyers and sellers. So I would expect one more leg to the downside. I don't think we move to the upside from here. We have a very tricky 5-minute and 15-minute closure. So I would expect more ranges down here. If the price goes higher, I will look for buys to break above 29,195. So, but not from here. I would expect more ranges, at least for 15-20 minutes. So I would be very careful. Here can be a buy, a scalp for me, but we should be very careful. So let me move this down. Yes, this was a good buy right here. It was too late for medium. Oh no, give it to me, give it to me. So I am entering a buy. Yeah, I got a very good entry. I take half down. In case this 1 minute comes all the way back inside, I'm gonna move my stop loss. Okay, dokie, go, go, go. Go, go, go. So that's a good trade. Very good trade. Okay, dokie. So here we go. This was a very classic breakout 1 minute buy combined with level 2. So I'm up $394. That's fine. The price can move higher. Yeah, I didn't expect, to be honest, but let it move. Let it move. Let it move. Da, 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 da. Let the price move. So, oh my god. From the price action, what I see, I think we're still gonna be in this range all day. I will wait till 4 o'clock London time. So I still have 40 minutes. If nothing appears on the chart for me, then I'm not gonna take any trades, because from what I see, the price action, it shows that we are gonna be in a range at least till 7 o'clock today London time. So this is gonna be the last 2 hours from market open, New York open session, and we should expect like only the last 2 hours the price to move out of the range, New York session range. Yeah. So I don't think we may see any move to the upside out from this range. I would like to see, and I hope, because I want to take more buys, more trades. But if it's not going to give it to me, that's it. Nothing to trade for me. So we have a very tricky 1 minute candle closure. So I would expect this a bearish close on the 1 minute. So I would like to take a short, to be honest, but I'm not gonna gamble it today, as I just got out from the drawdown. So I'm gonna wait. So here comes the short, guys. Yes, it was a very good short, to be honest, right from the top. Yep. I would like to take a short right here. Okay, I take half down. In case the price goes higher, let it go. So I would like to see this 1 minute close very big bearish candle. Come on, give it to me. If it closes like a small dodgy body to the upside, then I'm out. Yes, and looks like it wants to go higher probably. Oh, okay. I close another half. Yes, we may see a bullish closure on 1 minute. So I got out from the short. The reason for this trade was because of the kind of a double top at the bottom, especially, and also the reason that I think the price has to stay in a range inside for longer. I don't think the price will move higher, so I would expect the price to go lower or to stay inside the range for longer, at least for the 36 minutes. So let's see. So I would like to, so basically okay. So yeah. So as I say, the price will move lower. I don't know how to set up this. Okay. So we may see a bearish, but I'm gonna enter a buy right here. Let's see. Okay, I take half down. So we still have 30 seconds in this 1 minute. I would like to see one bullish close, at least a bit higher. I take one more half down. So 20 seconds left in this 1 minute. So I'm gonna move. Okay, that's a good trade. I take another half down. So puts the stop loss to break even. So let's go. So I would like this trade to take. Okay, that's a good trade. Not a bad trade. So I close another half. Come on, boy. So I move my TP higher, so 58 points in profit. Not a problem. So yes. Okay. So that was not a bad trade right there. That was not a bad trade at all. This is an amazing trade. So it is what it is. Yep. I have a problem with this right here. Analytics, views, stream views, average view duration. So let's see. So I would expect one leg to the upside, and okay, so when Q will give me one more buy, especially breakout buy, but I would like to wait a bit longer. So I'm $600 in profit right now. Yep. So here we may see a pull back to the downside, then probably a pull one more leg to the upside, but I will be very careful because this is the level where the price can go lower. So this is this is an imbalance or liquidity sweep. I don't know how you call it. Yes, you can call it whatever you want. Okay. Okay. It doesn't matter. So here the buy comes, guys. This is a very good buy. Ooh, it's too late for me. Why I missed it? Why did I miss it? Give it to me. I'm entering a buy right here. Once the 1 minute closes, I may add one more buy. Come on, brother. I know you're gonna go higher. I know. I would like to add, but not yet. I will wait for the 1 minute to close. I hope I am not gonna see a bearish 1 minute candle closure. I wanna see a bullish 1 minute closure. And in case drops lower, then I'm gonna put everything right here. Okay, this is a good closure. So I wanna see one bullish. So I'm adding right here. Ooh, I didn't. Instead of adding, I took half down. So this is an A setup for a breakout trade. Oh my god, what a trade I missed. I took half down. Yes, usually in these kind of trades I take very aggressively. I'm out. Yes, this was an A-top setup for me. Yes. Okay. So this was an A setup, a breakout setup, very bullish, very aggressive. I usually trade very aggressive, but instead of adding one more position, I closed half of it. So yeah, this was my mistake, and yeah. So here we go, guys. Here the buy comes. Here the short comes. Okay, dokie. If it goes higher, I'm out. Yes, it goes higher. Come on, drop lower. Go lower, brother. Go lower. Go lower. So let's see. Am I gonna make another 200 or give 200? I don't know. Let's see. Still 80 seconds in this 1 minute, so okay. I took half down. Stop loss break even because it can be a very tricky trade right here. Okay. I close another half. So the next 1 minute may go all the way back to the upside. Yes, it will, as I can see. So why did I take this trade? Because I see level 2, a lot of selling pressure and buyers taking profits, and also I see the price action on the 5 minute. So let's see the price go lower. So that's a very good trade, to be honest. 28, 39 points in profit. I take another half down. So $900 in profit for today. Okay, ducky. So I'm out from everything. We may see one more candle, bearish candle to the downside, but let's wait. Doesn't matter. So I'm $954 in profit. Yeah, $950 in profit. That's fine. I went down almost 500 today. Yes, it is what it is. So yeah. Yes, as I said, we may see one more leg to the downside and the big range, to be honest. I don't expect the price move out of this range, at least for the next 25 minutes. Probably next 25 minutes is going to be tricky to trade. I will avoid trades to be taken now. Maybe next 5 minutes I can take a trade, a buy or a short, I don't know, but let's see what the price action is going to show us, and the level 2. Also the volume is very important for me. I look at the volume as well. Yes. So I would recommend one more short right here for someone who missed the entry on the upside, because the price will move lower, definitely, at least for the next 38, 40 points. Okay, so this was a good entry for short, but we may see one leg to 1 minute to close bullish, then a next one to drop. And also I would be very careful in the next 3 minutes taking trades. We need a lower high, and this is the pullback probably for new lower high. So yes, okay dokie. So why streaming software? Okay, it's public. Okay, that's no problem. So here the short, here was the short entry. Okay. Yes, this was a very good entry short. Once the 1 minute closes, I probably may think to enter shorts, but as I say, the next 2 minutes should be very tricky. So I will wait for the next 2 minutes. So I will be interested in taking a buy right here, just for a quick scalp. Okay, dokie. I take a buy. Let's see. If the price goes lower, I'm out. Okay, I take half down. I take another half down. Okay. Okay, dokie. And come on, make that leg to the upside. And I'm out. So I made another $133 on this leg to the upside. It's not a big trade, but yeah. $100 from there, $50 from other side, and this is how you, yeah, make money. It's not like you take one trade and hold it for the holy grail trade, and you hope that this is gonna be that one trade, 1 to 10, 1 to 5. Market doesn't work like that. The best chances for you is to look for trades at least 1 to 1. The higher chances that you'll be profitable is 1 to 1, 1 to 2. Don't believe in this nonsense that you take one trade is 1 to 1, 1 to 10. If you have enough time to wait for this type of trades, then yeah. But this is not a 1 to 1, 1 to 10. This is not like an intraday trading. It's not scalping or anything like that. It's like more like of I would say long term, or at least, I don't know, higher time frames. So I will wait for this 5 minutes to close and probably look for a short. Or probably to take a short right now, I would like, but I think we may see one leg to the upside first and then one leg to the downside. So this next 1 minute probably can break higher. I'm gonna enter a buy right here. If in case goes lower, I'm out. Okay. Come on, give it to me, give it to me. So I'm just gonna move my stop loss higher in case comes lower, because this can be a very violent 1 minute. So give it to me, give it to me, make that leg to the upside. So I'd like to see one bullish or at least one spike to the upside. So we still have 10 seconds in this 1 minute. And come on. Push it, brother, push it. Okay, so here we go. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Here how I'm gonna have a losing trade now. Yes, just accept the loss and move on. So 140, oh my god, $145. When I put the stop loss, I put it to $100 in stop loss, but it took me $145. It's like quite a big difference. Yes. Anyway, just stay away. So I put like the stop loss in $100, but it closed with $145. Like the spread and exit was quite not good. Yeah, this is like the leg what I was expecting for the upside move. Probably, I don't know. Yes, this is probably can move or can give like a fake impression for the higher low and may trap people. So this looks like is forming a higher low and people can enter buys right here, but I think the price will move lower. So this is like a juicy entry if you want to see from institutional size to taking shorts right here, like to trap you in a buys. Yeah, because this is how, let's say, how people think, like we as retail traders, we think like this is forming a higher low, but actually this is forming a lower high. And for both sides, it can give like an impression that it goes slower, then probably can take it lower and then take higher. Stop both sides and then move. But it doesn't matter. As long as you have a good risk management and execution, you can do everything in this market. To be honest, I take less trades when I'm doing lives, so probably I may continue doing lives. But yeah, let's wait. Let's see. So we still have 20 seconds. Yeah, it was a good entry for a buy right there, but it's too late already. So I would like to see one leg to the upside. Yeah. With buys right here, should be very careful because I would like to take shorts, to be honest. And people who think into buys, it looks like it wants to go higher, but let's take a short in case I'm stopping out. I stopped out. Yeah, it can go higher. I don't like it. I want to see one bearish minute candle. Yes, it goes higher. Come on, brother, go lower. Close inside. Come on. So this may give a feeling for a breakout, like forming like a new higher low. It can. I don't know. Oop. What I've done. So I entered buy by mistake. Hallelujah. So I'm gonna close half. Just because. So this 1 minute candle probably will push higher. I wanna see this 1 minute go all the way back down. Okay. So I entered the buy by mistake. Come on. Fat fingers. Give it to me. Give it to me. So I'm gonna move my stop loss a bit lower. Yes, the reason I took a loss right there. So I want to see a violent move to the downside first before it goes higher. But I don't like what the 1 minute is doing right here, as I have a feeling it's still not done up there. So I'm gonna take another half. I took just another half just to cover the loss from the previous buy. So this is another entry for shorts, guys. So I'm gonna take a short. Come on, give it to me. Okay. No response. Why is it not responding? Why? So this is a good entry for a short. This is gonna be one big minute red candle, because it will stop out a lot of traders who took like a buy side, because it give you a feeling like it's forming like a higher low, and it did the opposite side. This was the reason for me entering a short. So I take another half down. Okay, and I'm gonna move my GP higher. So yeah, this was the main reason I took the short, because I want to enter where the people put their stop losses. So as we had this, we had here where enter short, we had two sides. We had sellers stopped out from their shorts, and we had buyers who entered buys for the price to move higher. So now we have, so I should get out because it will come from my stop loss. So for the sellers now, as you can see, we have sellers caught in this move. Yeah, someone tried to take a short right here because it was like a break of structure, let's say, like on the 1 minute, and on the 5 minute. On the 5 minute, not yet, but on the 1 minute looks like a break of structure for the price move lower. And here it goes. We may see one leg to the upside right here. Of course you can. You will. Yeah. So give it to me, give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. So I still think we are not done with the shorts. Now it just trapped sellers thinking that the price may reverse higher, and someone is scared and got out from their trades. But the reason why he's doing that is just psychological pressure on sellers. Yeah, and I'm gonna get a short right here. Oh, okay. Let's see the price move higher. Yeah, we may see one leg to the upside because we have a tricky, but let's see. Let's hope it's gonna go lower. So I'm just gonna close half. Okay, close half of it. Just a risk management decision. I don't want to lose to give back a lot of money. But in case goes higher. So let's see. Oh, okay. 29 seconds. Come on, brother, go lower. Yeah, I should probably get out. So I got out from everything. The reason why I took out, because it's going for the stop losses on the sell side. Yes, and then probably can go lower. So I may enter a short once the 1 minute closer. Oh, of course. So this was the short side. This was the short entry. Okay, let's see. So if the price moves a bit higher, it can go violently here. But I want to see the price go lower first. Okay. So yeah, it can pull higher. Yeah, it goes for the stop losses on the sell side. So yes, actually, yeah, this is where the price got triggered right now, right here. And the 5 minute also looks tricky. And so yes, this is like a breakout 5 minute. Yeah, this, if you want to take a buy, is right here for the buys. This is a buy opportunity for buyers. Very good buy, to be honest, right here. But I'm not still confident that the price will move higher because of the wicks on the left. So I would like to see the price close a bit higher, around 250, 245, for me thinking to take in buys. So currently I am $935 in profit. I had some losses, not big losses. Yeah, that's fine. That's totally fine. So this gives a feeling for buys. Probably it can go higher. I don't know. I don't know. Let's wait. Why I didn't take this buy, even if I think it goes higher? The reason is because of the wick on the left. So I would like to see the price close a bit higher on the 5-minute candle. So I'd like to see 250 closure, but it may spike higher. It may not give you like an entry before it goes up. And if it does goes up, then let it go. I will look for buys later. But later is not gonna be because I still have 7 minutes left and I'm finishing trading today. So at this level you should be very careful because you either have a breakout or you either see a price pushback. So looks like we may see a breakout right here. But I don't trust the 15-minute candle yet. So yes, it may give you a feeling that it breaks to the upside, but it will stop you out. So I'm gonna wait for the trades once the 5-minute closes. If the price closes about around this level, then I'm gonna enter a buy. But if closes a bit lower, then I'm not gonna touch it. So if price closes here, then I'm fine. Yeah, probably think for buys. But if closes lower, then I'm not gonna touch it. So yeah, I may get in a buy right here just for a quick scalp. If oh yes, of course it's gonna drop. Okay. I took half down just because I think this 1 minute may be very hard to read. I took another half down. This can be a quick spike down. In case it goes, it goes. In case it doesn't, it doesn't. This is like not a very A+ setup for me. And I'm gonna be out from this trade. So I'm $1,000, $29. Again, I'm not trading with a big size. I'm only take 5 micros. So for me, it's fine. So at this level, you should be very careful if you enter at buys because the next 1 minute probably will come inside and stop you out, but also can go higher. But I think it may come inside. I don't know. I don't trust the 15-minute candle yet. So I would expect the price to come inside in the range. But in case goes higher and you have a buy, then congratulations, you have a good trade. Yeah, we may see the price move higher from what I see on the 4-hour candle because it's very interesting right there. But I don't know. Let's see. So let's see, guys. Yes, the price will move higher. Definitely, definitely. So I'm interested. So looks like I was disconnected. I'm not sure why, but I was disconnected. So here we go, guys. I entered a buy right there. Okie dokie, I took half down. I would like to add, to be honest. I would like to add into buys. But let the price move higher first. So, okie dokie. Okay. So let the price move higher. I enter the buy right there once the 1 minute closed. Okay, so we may see a bearish 1 minute closure. So I put everything to break even. Okay. Okay, I took another half down. $60. Yes, we may see a bearish closure on 1 minute and the next 1 minute to drop lower, probably. I don't know. Yep. Yes, of course. It was a good get out from trade. So this is the candle what comes higher. It is a good buy right here. In case it goes lower, I'm out. Okay, that's a good this is a good manipulation, to be honest, from I don't know who does this, but they're very good at this. If you don't know about this, you need experience first. Okay, dokie. I take another half down. I move the stop loss higher. Once the 1 minute closure, I am probably adding one more, but I want to see the 1 minute close higher, not here. I want the 10 seconds, next 10 seconds, the price move higher. In case it goes lower, then I'm not gonna touch it and probably close my buy. So let's see, I'm adding buy. Ooh, what I've just done, I'm gonna get out from my buy. Wow. Yeah, I closed everything. But probably I shouldn't, because it will take the high on the left, daily high. It probably will touch it, but yeah. So I said I'm gonna trade until 4 o'clock, so I'm gonna finish the stream, but I don't know why it's not. Anyway, so looks like nobody's watching. No problem. So I would like to take a buy right here. This is gonna be my last trade for today. Okay, if it goes lower, I'm out and close everything. So looks like I'm gonna give $100, probably. I don't know. Yes. Come on, brother, go higher. I know you will. So in case the price moves lower, I'm gonna give $123, but I wanna see the price move higher first to make come on, give it to me. So I wanna see the price to take the high on the left first. Okay, that's a good trade. Okay, dokie. Come on, girl, give it to me. So I'm gonna move my TP above, okay, a bit higher, no problem. So here it goes. It gives a feeling that it goes higher, then it will push back inside. It will take the high on the left. Look, it will take a high on the left and will pull the 1 minute inside the range. Probably it will go, I don't know. Let's see, but I'm gonna finish today on this note, and I am $1,100 in profit. Yes, so guys, yeah, thank you very much for everything, and see you tomorrow. Probably, I don't know. So thank you. Thank you. See you tomorrow, and thank you for everything.